Come on, you're supporting the queen right now. You can't just unstick from the wall like that, my guy. Look at my lights. Look at the bats. It's freaking bats. I love Halloween. I haven't filmed in so long. What am I doing? So what I used to do is I used to like put the phone like on this little thingy right here, but it would be facing this way instead of this way. Because I did like the inverse way, you know, the inner camera, but the outer camera is usually better. So does it look good? I don't know, because I can't see it, and that's the scary part. Hi? I don't know. Hello there. You may call me Miss Introvert, and today I am going to be awkwardly introducing myself back to YouTube. Hello again, subscribers. Hi. Hello. Hello. What is this? I don't know. Hello again, subscribers. If you are even still here, because I've been gone for a long time, and maybe you're here, maybe you guys forgot about me, but then again, I've been gone for such a long time. So I completely understand. I have been gone for a long time. I keep saying that, but I've missed you. Even though those of you who follow me on Instagram have been so supportive and have been liking my reels, which have been so fun to make. Oh my gosh. When I like discovered that, which was probably a little bit late in the game, since I am kind of a young person and should probably be on these trends by now, I'm getting closer to like knowing when the trends happen and like following through. And sometimes I don't care, but most of the time I'm like, hey, let's do this one audio because it's fun. You guys have been so supportive of my Instagram and now my TikTok, so go check it out. And thank you guys for the support. Oh my goodness. When I first started making them, they got so many views, and I was like, how is this even happening? And it's like, man, Instagram is the place to be. And then TikTok was the place to be. I mean, it's been the place to be for a long time. I mean, I've been watching TikTok since 2020. Dude, does anyone else have like 2020 nostalgia? If you don't, I totally understand, because it was 2020 and it was horrible. But I remember it being 2020, I was like, I get to be in the house. I'm like supposed to be in my house. It's glorious. But yeah, it was cool. But let's cut right to the chase of what I want to do with this channel this summer. I want to start a series, another series. I know the last one was kind of weird, but I want to start the series called the Imposter series, because we are writers, and that is a label that we subconsciously give ourselves every time we second guess our writing. We call ourselves imposters. I'm doing it right now as I make videos, except it's not for writing, it's for making videos. Actually, when I think about it, am I even a writer? I don't know. I might just be an imposter. Like, who can freaking say? So we can all relate to that. I've talked to a lot of writers that are like, I don't know if I can write, and I'm read their writing and I'm like, yes, you can. Please don't doubt yourself. Oh my frick. So that's one thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna share stories of times that I felt like an imposter, and we'll see if you guys can relate. Maybe they'll be like super embarrassing and I'll like turn red on screen, or they'll be kind of funny, kind of goofy, you know? I definitely feel like the writing train, like, you know, it's like writing motivation, actually writing stuff. I feel like I was a little bit off on the writing train for a good while in the fall semester. Spring, we kind of got back on top of things, and then this summer has been insanely writing heavy, and hopefully that lasts even longer. It's mostly been because a lot of the projects that I'm doing for an internship and for my like school projects have been obligations, so like I have to do them, which is good. It's good to set deadlines, it's good to have deadlines from other people, and it's good to have deadlines for yourself. It's usually more helpful when they're from other people because there's more pressure, so. But it's been fun. Research has been fun, writing has been fun, so yeah. Making sure that writing heavy days last as long as they can is the dream. Isn't that always the dream? Ugh, man. Just one more day of motivation. Just so you guys know, I'm about to go like way off topic, but just bear with me. Do you guys ever reach a point in your drafting stage where you write something or you read something that you just wrote and you think to yourself, like, I'll edit this later, like it's not worded very well, and it's the same thing when you read it later and it's still sloppy and boring, but you still don't want to change it because maybe you're a little bit lazy about it. We all have those days, and you even make up some kind of like excuse in your head as to why you might leave it the way it is and have some symbolic meaning behind the way that you worded it lazily, because that happens all the time to me. And you think to yourself, maybe there'll be like an astute English teacher, if this book ever gets published, who would catch up on that symbolic meaning that you just happened to make up. You know the meme, like, why is the chair blue in this Shakespeare play? And your English teacher will wonder, why is the chair blue? And ask you why you think the chair is blue, even though you've thought long and hard as to why Shakespeare made the decision to make the chair blue. And your guess is still as good as your teacher's, and that,
my friends, is what inspires me to not edit that one part when I could easily just change the wording. But in my head, it's like, I don't want to, it's boring and it's not fun. Open up a thesaurus, it's okay. Some people call this lazy writing, but I refer to it as spiral inspiration. What's that? Oh, my inspiration is begging me to stop because she's twisting herself into a cyclone of too many thoughts. Sorry, bestie, take 5. Seriously, take 5. No, she wants me to write about the story of a snowflake's journey from cloud to grass. Yeah, that's so Pixar shorts. Why don't we make that a poem? We agree. Okay, great. Okay, I love you too. That's a new system I developed because I don't want to have to change costume, camera angle, and character and just talk to the writing mind. I guess through whatever this little angle that I'm looking in is, it's my script. This could also be called lazy video production. I could have made a spiral inspiration choice to do that. You don't know. Oh, I know, I'm sorry. Why don't you just take a nap when I'm done talking about this? Okay. Anyway, that was also to tell you guys that I will be doing more Writing Mind videos. I love making those videos so much. They don't get as many views as some of my other like instructional videos, which I would still love to make this summer, but they are so fun to make. The Writing Mind videos, I love getting into character. Acting is one of my passions, and I love exploring the different facets of my writing personality, and I kind of was inspired by Sandersides to do that. If you don't watch Sandersides, if you haven't seen Thomas Sanders, any of his content, he was on Vine, you should know that. But if you haven't seen his series Sandersides, which his entire community looks forward to, and they take so long to make, which makes so much sense because they are all so intricate and all so good. But yes, you should watch them. That's where I got the inspiration to do that, so yeah. Whenever I make those Writing Mind videos, hopefully they won't be as cringy or lazily written as last time or spiral inspirational. I'm so sorry. Definitely keep a lookout for those. If you want to keep a lookout without searching my name, easy way to do that is to subscribe. Right down there. YouTube moved things around recently now, so it's still under the screen, but it's a little to the left on your computer. It's still the same on the phone, I think. If it's not, wherever you find the red button that says subscribe, you can read. I would also love to share more of my poetry with you guys, and I would also love to hear some of your guys' own poetry, so definitely keep those coming. And maybe if things go well, we'll have Q&As about writing or something, or our favorite books, maybe our favorite movies, maybe our favorite fandoms. So yeah, welcome back to a very safe place for introverts, a very safe haven, a very safe place for writers, and remember to follow me on the socials that you can keep up with my little reels and TikToks that I make, and subscribe and stay basic. Okay, bye.